Okay, we're going to take a look at, there seems to be some discrepancy around where to go for reports and so on. I want to just explain the difference between reporting and explore the data. Reporting is where you go to get a summary of your course. So let's say I want a course and I want year 12 physics for 2017, and so I can do this for 16 and 15. This is a summary of the course. Now this is a summary of the percentage of credits. So this is the total number of credits at excellence, merit, achieved, not achieved, and if you want voids, you can look at voids. So this is not number of students. This is the number of credits. So for 2017, this particular standard, or this particular class, sorry, you've got 552 credits that were on offer from the number of students that did this. And this is the percentage of E's, MA's, and V's for that particular class. And then you have another class, and then you have this class, which again, the total number of credits on offer, 483. If you times that by the number of credits you're offering in your course by the number of students, that's the totals that you will get. And then a summary for the standards that were on offer. And again, this is results by assessment percentage of credits. So the total number of credits is 402 on offer. In this particular standard, 150 were E's, 114 of those were M's, and so on. So this is the total number of credits, not students. And you can edit this, use this. Some people don't find this particularly useful as a summary because we've never used this kind of summary before, but you have comparative data, so you can use this as a comparison against what classes are doing, what the course looks like. But for a report for departments, you probably want to go to explore the data, because this is where you will get a comparison against the national standard. Decile 10 is what we're doing, and you will get numbers of students. So if you browse, you can search by standard now, which is different than we used to be able to, but you select your standards, you go to course, and then you select the course that you want to look at. So if we go consistently to use 12 physics. Now, they've divided the assessments from internal to and external, and now you can select multiple standards. So this is up here is your endorsement, percentage of endorsement, your GPA. Right, and this is also endorsement. I don't know exactly the difference between those two, but this is your percentage endorsement at E, M, and A, and so on. So if I want to look at my externals that were done, and I can have mock grades or the actual exam, which I'm obviously going to take that, and I do another standard in the grade, you see that they drop down here, and take another one, and so on, and hit OK. You generate, for 2017, you will generate your graphs and tables if you want them, and this is students. So you have 67 students that did the standard, and this is the percentage of E's, M's, and S. So that may be more important, and then obviously you can do it against the national standard and do a comparison. And you can do this for 2016, 2015, and so on. You can also export the information. So if you don't believe that those figures are true, you can export the data, and then you can see that basically have this many students that did the standard 91170, and it shows a few more students, 70, I think it was 74, it starts at 2, then 67. So obviously we've got some students that have left, moved, dropped out, whatever, but the 67 is the number of students. So that's how that works.